when AI recommends the wrong door, how fake software sites can turn helpful chatbot advice into a malware trap, poisoned GPS. The shift: we are swapping traditional Google search for AI chatbot recommendations. The exploit: attackers know this. They aren't just putting up fake road signs anymore. They are feeding bad coordinates directly to your digital GPS. The result: if the AI repeats the bad directions, you still end up at the wrong destination. The danger is not that AI is evil. The danger is that AI can be fooled by bad information just like people can. The trapdoor button. The bait: attackers create incredibly convincing fake download pages for popular computer utilities. Targeted tools. Recent campaigns impersonated real software like Crystal Disk Info, HW Monitor, Display Driver Uninstaller, Furmark, K-Lite Codec Pack, and PDF Gear. The catch: the website looks official and the download process feels normal, but the file you receive is a booby-trapped zip folder. What is cryptojacking? Cryptojacking is when criminals secretly hijack your computer's processing power to mine cryptocurrency for themselves. They get the money. You get the sluggish computer, extreme heat, loud fan noise, and high electricity bills. The PC stress test: who is at risk? The prime targets: computers with powerful graphic cards do the heavy lifting for crypto mining. High-risk users: gamers, video editors, AI hobbyists, and digital creators are highly attractive targets for these fake software traps. The universal threat: even if you don't have a powerhouse computer, average users must stay vigilant. Fake download tricks are designed to fool anyone looking for utility software. The attack vector matrix. Understanding the threat. Threat type 1. ChatGPT. Where it happens: inside the chat window. The mechanism used: malicious web content is displayed directly to the user through AI summaries or rendered images or links. Threat type 2. Poisoned recommendations, which is this threat. Where it happens: outside the chat window. The mechanism: the AI provides a text link to a fake external website, sending the user out into the wild. Do not blindly trust links just because they appear inside an AI answer. The attack funnel. Users ask AI, where do I download this program? AI provides a poisoned link. User lands on fake site. User downloads malicious zip file. User runs the file. Cryptojacking malware installs. Red flags callout map. 1. Misspelled URL, such as Crystal Disk Info with a lowercase l instead of an uppercase I. Number 2. Multiple overly aggressive mismatched download now buttons. Number 3. Offering a zip file when the official site provides a standard installer. Number 4. Fake urgency pop-ups. Your drivers are out of date. Download immediately. If the website looks like it was built by a raccoon with a coupon for pop-up ads, back away slowly. The official versus fake doorway. The direct route. Step 1. User types known official domain or searches product plus official. Step 2. User verifies the publisher. As example, checks Microsoft Store or GitHub. Step 3. Direct secure download. The blind route. Step 1. User asks AI for a download link. Step 2. The user clicks the AI's link blindly without checking the URL. Step 3. User downloads a zip from an unknown third-party portal. How to verify the official site. Number 1. Search smart. Add the word official to your search, such as HW Monitor Official. Step 2. Skip the ads. Avoid sponsored search results. Attackers often buy these spots. Number 3. Cross-reference. Compare the site against known safe sources like the developer's GitHub page or Wikipedia. Number 4. Use walled gardens. Whenever possible, download directly from the Microsoft Store or trusted update utilities. Number 5. Scan everything. Be highly suspicious of random portals. Let Windows Security scan zip files before opening. The rule: when in doubt, do not download. What to do if you already clicked? Halt. Do not panic. Do not keep running the file or clicking through prompts. Isolate. Disconnect the computer from the internet immediately if something feels wrong. Scan. Run a full system scan using Windows Security or your trusted antivirus. Audit. Check your recently installed apps list for anything unfamiliar, especially remote access tools. Secure. Change important passwords, but do it from a different clean device. Ask. Reach out to a trusted tech helper if the computer is still acting strangely, such as loud fan or overheating. The senior safe rule of thumb. AI can suggest. You must verify. AI is a powerful helper, but it is not a security guarantee. You must treat links provided by an AI exactly the same way you treat links in an unexpected email. Are they useful? Maybe. Are they automatically safe? Absolutely not. You are still the manager. The AI is just the intern. My final takeaway. The big lesson is simple. Don't let convenience outrun common sense. AI can be a wonderful assistant, but it is not a magic truth machine. Before you download anything, verify the source, check the address, and make sure you are standing at the real front door, not the scammer's side entrance. Stay safe, stay secure, stay curious. And remember, my friends, you're never too old to outsmart a scammer. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.